And now we go in search of the elusive male bull bison. And here we find him sleeping. Sleeping peacefully. Hard to wake up. Male bull bison. He's singing. Do you hear him singing? It's late. Noon or so. The bison still rests during the day. What'd you say? Can you say it again? Just one more time, please. Oh, a little deeper, a little bass. Yeah. Hear the strange sounds of the outback. What's that? Can you say it again? Just one more time, a little louder. A little louder. A bit louder still. Oh, that was buried, Lil. Louder. Bigger. Go bigger. Very nicely done. Nicely done. Oh. Oh, yabba dabba doo. Oh, yabba dabba doo. Yabba dabba doo.